there's someone at the door. Hello.
Oh, I got a whole bag.
Oh, come on in.
I'm coming in. Would you like a cookie?
Come on, don't let the dog out.
What's my name? Danny, talk to Joey.
Okay.
What's your name? No, say, Mom.
Who are you?
John, Namey.
Wait, what are you doing?
Bring your son up.
No. He's not my son. Who are you?
I'm a robber. I'm your son.
You are, and you're a robber?
Go beat him up, Danny. Okay.
No! Oh, no! No!
All the money's upstairs. That's the end, folks. I'll show you where all the money is, okay? Oh,